All right, so now what we're going to work on is a couple of secant questions. So you got your graph paper, got your pencil ready. Here we go. These are secants. So we're going to do, as our third example today, y equals secant of theta divided by 2. All right, so for secant, that is the reciprocal of cosine. So even though there's no amplitude for secant, none, we need to think about cosine having an amplitude of 1 here. Your period is going to be 360 degrees divided by a half. 360 times a half is going to be 720 degrees. We want to think about our points. We're going to have points every, let's see, we're going to do 720 divided by 4. That's 180 degrees. Things are kind of spread out there, which is nice. No phase shift, so phase shift is none there because there's no parentheses to set equal to 0. All right, go ahead and set up your graph. So we will go 1, 2, 3 on our y-axis, and let's see, we've got points every 180. Not hearing really anything else. So let's just do this. Let's go 1 and then 90 like we did on the last one. 1 and then 180. 1 and then 270. 1 and then 360. That's scaling by 45s. 1 and then negative 90. 1 and then negative 180. 1 and then negative 270. 1 and then negative 360. And let's see what we can do. Don't see any shifting, but there is going to be some flipping of things because of the reciprocal. So what we want to do here is graph cosine first, which starts at the top. Points every 180 degrees, so we're going to go top, middle at 180, bottom at 360. I might do this whole graph here for all of my points, which is there. And now what we want to do is turn any 0 into an asymptote. So any 0 into an asymptote. And then any point, stay where it's at, but it'll change, making the graph have, whoa, mistake there. Don't pay attention to that. Should be going down like this, right? Should go that way. Sorry for the mistake there. These are a one-time deal on the videos. I don't re-edit them or anything like that. I probably need Mr. Tani to help me do that. He can put a little white out there for me. But again, you can see where this branch is coming down here. We got this coming up here, this branch coming here, and we will have it for secant theta. All right, pretty easy one there, not too bad. Let's do one more. So this will be example number 4 now. So example number 4 is going to have on it y equals 1/2 secant of theta plus 90. All right, so we're going to again say amplitude is none. But we will go cosine amplitude of a half. The period here is going to be 360 divided by 1. Number in front of the angle is 1. So 360 degrees. Now we do have a phase shift on this one. So the phase shift is going to be theta plus 90, set equal to 0. Subtract over 90 and theta is going to equal negative 90 degrees. That's left 90. Okay. Well, now from here, we can go ahead and make our axis. Let's see how we want to scale here. Let's think about that for a second. So again, you can kind of scale however you want. The big one is the 30s and 22.5s. You gotta have those. But let's see here, we've got 90s, 360s. For this one here, I think I'll go the regular 1, 2, 3, 90, just to kind of spread things out nicely for you to see it. 1, 2, 3, 180, 1, 2, 3, 270, 1, 2, 3, 360, and going backwards, 1, 2, 3, negative 90, 1, 2, 3, negative 180, 1, 2, 3, negative 270, 1, 2, 3. This last line here is going to be negative 360. We'll go 1, 2, 3 as we've been doing on the y-axis. All right, so to graph cosine, amplitude 1/2, we'll start up. Cosine starts at the top. We didn't put down how often we're going to have points. We're going to have points every 90. That's taking the 360 dividing by 4. So we start here. We come middle. We go low at 180. We come back to middle at 270. We go high at 360. We come back. We go middle, low, middle. We're back to high at negative 360. Again, I feel like having a little bit more, I might be able to see it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue my graph in pencil. So all my asymptotes will be pencil there. And my branch will go down here. Okay. Now, from that, I think I could make my phase shift left 90. So I'm going to try to do that right now. So let's try to make the phase shift. So we're going to go left 90. So take your asymptote, move it left 90. That's going to be here at negative 360. Okay, move your point left 90. So you're going to be right there on the negative 270. Move your asymptote left 90, which is going to be here at negative 180. Okay, and then your branch will go down. Okay, just like that. All right, now I'm going to try to erase. Hopefully I can still kind of figure the pattern. Okay, we kind of know, I mean we should know, that the branches now switch up and down. So this next branch is going to be from here over 90, up at 1/2. Okay, because it's over 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, put the dot at 4. Go over 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you'll have an asymptote. So it's 0. There's going to be an asymptote. Branch goes up. Okay, come backwards. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. So here, whoops, I put it in the wrong spot. At 90, we're at 1/2, not at 2. Coming down this way, we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. So at negative 1 or positive 180. Sorry, it goes down. Okay, then we'll do the same at 1/2. Go over 1, 2, 3, 4. Be a point there now. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. There'll be an asymptote now. Again, just following the patterns. This one's going to look like this. Okay. Again, it goes every other way. Everything's looking the way it should. That's the way 1/2 secant theta plus 90 degrees should look. Say 90 degrees there. All right, so your homework questions for today. Again, just 3 questions. Number 1 is going to be y equals 3 cosecant theta. Number 2 is going to be y equals 2 cosecant theta plus 30 degrees. Last one for homework today is going to be y equals secant of theta divided by 2, this is in parentheses, minus 45 degrees. And again, I'll post an answer sheet for you tomorrow so you can check it out. Again, what I'm expecting you to do each day is to watch the videos, do the graphs, and then do your 3 homework questions, and that will get you through my class. All right? Okay, everybody get their work done, and I will see you tomorrow.